Good evening, 4A. I'm going to be talking to you guys tonight about expressions and variables. So let's talk first about what an expression is. An expression is like a number sentence with numbers and symbols, but it doesn't have an equal sign. So, for example, 4 plus 3 is an expression. Another example, 9 minus 5. Another expression. When would I use expressions? I would use expressions to talk about certain situations that might happen in my life. So, for example, Mr. Matt had 4 candy bars, then he got 3 more. Or Mr. Matt had 9 pieces of popcorn, but then he ate 5. Okay? Pretty simple. So those are both examples of expressions. Let's talk about variables. A variable is any letter or symbol that represents an unknown number. So sometimes you see letters like A or N or X, or sometimes you might see a symbol like a triangle. So I will usually see variables in expressions when we're talking about an amount that we don't know. So for example, let's say Mr. Matt has 10 pounds, but then he loses some. I don't know how many pounds I lost, so I just put P there for an unknown amount. Another example, Mr. Matt was eating some chocolate chip cookies. Mr. Matt ate 3 chocolate chip cookies, then he ate some more. Once again, since I don't know how many more he ate, hopefully a lot, I'm just going to put the letter C there to represent that some cookies were eaten. Okay? Last thing, sometimes I want to find out what the amount of my variable is. So, let's come over here and write an expression with a variable. Let's say Mr. Matt is at the movie theater and he has 100 pounds, but then he pays some money to see the movie. If movie tickets cost 18 pounds, then how much money did Mr. Matt have after he bought his ticket? To solve an expression like this, all I would do was put the number 18 wherever I see the letter M. So, I'll just cross that out, write the number 18, and now I can solve this just like I would any other math problem. So the value of this expression, 100 minus 18, is, I'll give you a second to think about it. If you said 82, then you are correct. Okay, now that we've talked about expressions and variables, I want you guys to go to the quizzes tab on the portal and take the quiz that I've put up there for you. Good luck, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.